Hello, friend.
Kichengsi kardom kadukave Karbitish 2.0 YouTube channel long kelangarat do ana panstami lapen pini nali tumha na kiwan pi labangki Diphu Medical College lapen hospital long pen kapiklang pon Voreng Avarsai APUTHAK sinali tumhan laso video long nang wan pi iglo lapen nali tum laso video long kithek pon long ji labangki kon an apus a vacancy sikidoma kachar leng ding ko an sikinang jima lapen ka apply nang ji koson ma last date command tuma laso details sinali tum thek pon long ikpo nalitum la so YouTube channel long jom sin ang hamri milang prote ka chinghon pe nalitum subscribe ko la pen videos ta nalitum share ponigon tangte non pathiek pen Diphu Medical College la pen hospital long pen kapik lang pon Voreng Avarsai APUTHAK le lang pon nang la pen chithan pon nang Tangne non puthot chithan polonang lapen lang polonang Office of the Principal cum Chief Superintendent Diphu Medical College Hospital hin pen kapik lang pon Voreng Avarsai APUTHAK le lapen ali tum da screen long thek pon long ikpon nidi long do da advertisement alo lapen advertisement publish pon 04/10/2024 ani sida publish pon iglo lapen recruitment for the following contractual post for the multicentric project in multidisciplinary research unit at Diphu Medical College and Hospital Diphu along lo Ning Kehang abang fiatum nali tum jong si jogdun example de prabjen pen jogdun iko lapena Voreng Avarsai labangke temporary chat mate contractual chat la Ning Kehang abang fitum claim dunji pulote nali tum so details lang dat pen le nali tum claim dunigon tangte ko pipia pus sikido mala so APUTHAK chithan polonang ke chengsin name of pus labangke nali tum dak theklongji project technical officer afanda hini ana pus do monthly nalitum long ponji 32,000 analitum long pon po lapen the qualification labangke MSc lapen MTech lahai unang po lapen dak minimum 2 years experience in ICMR lapen DHR CSIR DBT any other project medical college working experience dengue malaria vector related work dak lason do o dak penang an do nang lapen computer knowledge tamidak do nang po lapen pira andak kiun dunang jinalitum labangke qualification labangke nalitum dak pen lang ponik denon dak top pon dingu lapen age limit lang dam te dak 23 diak tha 21 pen 30 years abang phumat abang fiatum si jogdun long ikpo lapen putho dak do thulang project technical support to mate field worker afanda isi anak dak apos bang pipon nalitum dak salary labang ke 20,000 analitum long pon exi lapen class 12 pass an chok lapen science stream na nengzi lapen 2 years experience nengzi field worker anad lapen dak field experience working rural tribe area lapen 12 pass in science stream with 2 years experience to nangpo lapen lason rata nalitum kapre qualification ason bang nalitum dak pen lang pon ego lapen arta lang nam lo 21 years pen 30 years abang phu mate abang fiatum si jogdun long exi lapen putho dak do thulang number 3 long lang dam lo pulte laboratory technician afanda isian posto 20,000 mani long ponik po lapen kachar leng dak BSc mate MLT unang po diploma do nai MLT anat lapen kapre details son an banali tum dak pen lang ponigon lapen age limit 21 years pen 30 years an abang phu mate abang fini Puthadak number 4 long nani tum dak thek pon long exi lab assistant afan stame dak isian da aposto la pena son dak manli nani tum 20,000 long pon ikpo kachar liang den nani tum graduation nang po jata university institute pen chol la pen MS office la pen data entry anad nani tum computer knowledge bangke dak do nang po la pen kapre details la bangke nani tum dak pen lang ponigon la pen arta la bangke 21 years pen 30 years abang phu mate abang fiatum si jogdon long exi lapen terms and conditions tame dak tokpon penan akiding do nalitum dak theklong ji the posts are purely temporary basis are the basis that project however appointment can be the nalitum dak lang pona labangke lapen puthon nili the important bana than pichini ponik po la number 2 long dak tokpon nalitum thekpon long exi Application and selection procedure candidates have submit their application through speed post lapen registered post self submit to the office of the principal cum chief superintendent Diphu Medical College and Hospital Diphu 782460 so address on nalitum thondam ignapom but nalitum direct dam pes tame thondam igme kali pulte nalitum halloween pulte speed post pen nalitum mate post long le nalitum post pen le puthai da chok pusidak topon lapen envelope along thap pami sinalitum pidana po lapen copy post pansi ka apply mala so post amens tame mention do nang po lapen candidate name address ang ton details nalitum tok do nang po lapen last date labang ke la so chiklo 30 October anse last date lo lapen penanda apor bang dola nonta 25 days ane dag dola nalitum prabjin pen jogdun ji pulte jogdun egon lapen kaprek kaprek details nalitum lang pulote dag www.dmcassam.co.in so dim nalitum damstame thek damlong exi details labang ke documents labang ke nalitum dak thek ponlong ji copy pc nang jima the candidate needs to submit application as a format attached along with this advertisement and also find the website Diphu Medical College Hospital. The number rows may be added in this way. The candidate no charge in serial number order head the column sol no copy pc nang mala so APUTHAK stamen nalitum website long dampes tame details ban thek nam long ekpola pen number 4 long tok pondo two recent self signed photo, passport size color photo are to be attached on the first page of the free-form format mate pagni photo na labang kenali tum application of form long pabondon ing nang pola pen photo anung long mate fee long nalitum sign gp do napo mat nalitum amen tok do napo qualification labang ke qualification and degree should be from recognized institute university the penalty ka sambe nang ta kenang sor la pen number 6 long putho da ke tok pon dola one set of photo state copies of id proof and address proof certificate shall attested must be attached with the application form mate nalitum id proof la pen address proof ta me ki pidu nang ji kenang sor la pen update cv of the candidate is also submitted la pen kapre so nalitum dak pen lang poni gol la bangken la important bangke avelo la se ning kehang abang pu abang fitum nalitum jong sikachar liang deng do pulte la an do pulte nalitum jogbon ikon la bangke contractual basis 1 year ne 2 year ne la bangke practice ta me nalitum details alam chining tum pulte nalitum dam ada dim dam pe nalitum arju damik me ase pini la so update mate la so Voreng Avarsai update na than ponji la bangkela an chorla pus bang da kadu ka pen parom pet pen 2 3 la pen 4 5 5 bang 4 per mando kadu ka pen da pangrom pet pen la pen salary ba mi exen la sinale tum jongse jogdon ji ning hang prote nalitum jogdon ikon tangte pini video la mola anleng ton poringo la pen video ke share la bangkena nalitum ting neri yung sila so YouTube channel lang na kamri milang pala channel to nalitum subscribe igano tangte cardom